Hello and welcome to the AgriAlert video tutorial. Now, AgriAlert itself is a web application, so we're going to go ahead and open up Google Chrome, which is just a web browser for Android. And here we're going to type in app.agrialert.co.uk. Now, ordinarily you may be able to reach this site using a QR code. However, in this case, I have to type it in. Once you're there, you get presented with a login screen. You get the cookie warning to say that this website uses cookies. You can allow those. Then you need to type in your user information. So I've got a test user login, but you guys will have been given your credentials by an administrator. So we're going to log in here, and what you're greeted with is the dashboard. So you've got a video tutorial, that's this tutorial that you're watching, new test and view results. Those are the three buttons available. In the top right you have the menu, which contains again new test and view test results. Then also switch user, users and about. So under about, the current user, I'm logged in as Ben, that's my username, permission level, I'm an administrator for the company of Ben Corp. If we go back out, we can go into view any results. There aren't any results yet for Ben Corp, which is fine. Then let's go ahead and create a new test. So, put in your sample ID. This is an identifier unique to you. You may have some kind of scheme for creating these. I'm just going to put in AB12. Sample location. I'm in the office, so that's what I'll select. Batch number. This is presumably printed on the box of test kits, so I'll place in just a generic number. Now the test type you can select for one of three. We're going to stick with Botrytis. The batch date, you have to select the date which your batch was manufactured. We'll go for the 1st of March. The alarm time duration, that's defaults to 10 minutes. That's how long you have to expose your test strip to the air. We don't want to wait around that long for the purposes of this video, so we'll go for 10 seconds. The audible alarm, we'll keep that on, and once we start that, there'll be a countdown, which counts down. Okay, and then once you're ready, you can go to capture and upload an image. So here, now your test strip has been exposed to the air, you can now capture an image of it using the phone camera, or alternatively you can capture an image externally and upload that image. So firstly we're going to go for capture. Now here I haven't got a real test kit for the purposes of this video, I've just got a screen that is displaying one of the test strips. So the important things to notice here are that the strip is on a white background, it's quite critical, and also that the 4 corners of the strip are visible. So the 2 corners at the top of the red area and the 2 corners at the bottom of the white area beneath the blue max line. So we'll try and line this up as best as we can. Bearing in mind this is on a screen, so it's not quite as reliable as an actual test physically on the tabletop. But we'll have a go with this. So that doesn't look so good. We'll come back out, zoom back in. Looks okay. So we'll take that. There's our image. We'll send that off to the server. Now here come our results. You can see the test and control numbers, the location of the test, and the sample ID, which you can edit in case you've made a mistake. So, for example, we can say, oh, actually, I was in the laboratory, lab 1, or in fact 2. We can save that. Here you can see all the batch information, the person who did the test, and then obviously the associated image that gave us those results. So from here you use the menu again, return to the view results. You can see this result here now, and I'll just go through the rest of the menu options that I didn't do before. Users. As an administrator, I can see the users associated with the Bencorp company. It's just me at the moment. Adding a new user can be done using the buttons. And the final thing is that the AgriAlert logo itself can be hit to return to the main dashboard.